Your home is on the market. Now what? Today we're discussing the do's and don'ts to ensure a successful sale. Learn how to make your home shine during showings and what pitfalls to avoid. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. Showing your home. Your house is ready and your listing agent has started their dynamic marketing campaign. Here's how to make sure your home shines during showings. 1. Be absent during showings. Let buyers feel free to explore your home without feeling like intruders. Your presence can make the situation awkward and hinder their experience. Keep all the lights on. Make your home appear brighter and more inviting by keeping all lights on. Use scented plugins. Place Glade Hawaiian Breeze scented plugins throughout the home for a pleasant but not overwhelming scent. Open blinds and window treatments. This makes your home seem larger and brighter. If possible, remove screens to let in more light and give an open feel. Put away clutter and personal items. You've already decluttered, so just put away anything that's out of place. Clean kitchens and bathrooms. Ensure these areas are spotless. Flush toilets, fold towels, wipe down counters and sinks, and empty trash cans. Sweep the front step and hall. First impressions matter. Keep these areas clean to avoid tracking debris into your home. Arrange for pets. Find a place for pets during showings. Not everyone loves animals, and some buyers might even be afraid of them. Important don't. Don't say a thing. Avoid engaging in conversation if you happen to come home during a showing. Even innocent comments can sabotage your negotiation position. Example, a client comes home during a showing and starts chatting with the buyer's agent. When asked why she's moving, she mentions her terminally ill mother. The agent uses this information to make a lowball offer with a fast close. Because of her situation, she may be tempted to take the offer when others might be right behind. Questions to ask. How do you ensure my home is presented in the best possible light during showings? What specific strategies do you use to create an inviting atmosphere in the home during showings? How do you handle feedback from buyers and agents after showings? And how will you keep me informed? Can you explain how you protect my negotiation position during the showing process? How do you manage showings if I have pets and other special considerations? What things should I say or not say to an agent or buyer? Conclusion. As you can see, there is a lot involved when selling your home. Look for a qualified professional agent who takes their career seriously, does this full-time, specializes in the area, understands the market, knows how to reach buyers on a massive scale, and uses both traditional marketing and digital marketing to reach the masses. Thank you for watching. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, providing you with an authentic coastal luxury experience at every price point.